platform's a bit small, Mike. Will it be safe letting your fireworks off on here?
I'm not going to be setting them off here. I'll be setting them off from the safety of the quay with this, my detonator. Whoa! Not found me sea legs yet.
Are you sure you don't need any help, Mike?
No, I'll be fine. I'll have these fireworks sorted in no time.
Well, if you're sure.
Oh, I'll just put this safely over here.
Ooh, it's getting a bit breezy. Will Mike be all right out there?
I'm sure he'll be fine.
Oh, what? Wait, phew! Gotcha! Oh, whoa! Oh, no, I've sat on my button. Uh-oh! Whoa! Get off! Get off, you rocket!
Oh, look, Mum! Fireworks! Oh, they can't be going off yet, James.
They are. That's not just the fireworks. Mike's platform is on fire.
I'll call Fireman Sam.
Mike Flood is trapped out at sea on a blazing platform. Mike Flood is trapped out at sea on a blazing platform.
Ben, you pilot Titan. Elvis and Penny, you man the water cannons. I'll take...
Oh no, I'm getting off.
I'm at the platform, Ben, but there's no sign of Mike.
Maybe he's jumped overboard, Sam.
I'll take a look around.
I'll hold her steady. Penny, Elvis, you direct the cannons.
Help! I'm over here! Oh, I got my whistle.
I'm coming, Mike!
Sam!
I've got you, Mike.